Colorful gel neon roses and water stickers in this video coming up. We will need water sticker, but it doesn't have to be a rose, and few neon colors like this one, yellow, neon lemon, neon pomelo, I hope I'm reading this right, neon pitahaya, oh my god, that's pronunciation challenge, mangosteen, and I can do this one, exotic papaya, and neon sugar apple. Okay, it wasn't that hard. Also, I will need Go Color Black. This is black gel paint by NSI and no wipe top coat. And any synthetic thin brush 0 or 1 will work. Now let's do white background. I will simply apply white color, and as you probably know that all neon colors look great when you have a white background, so I recommend you to do this at all times when you're doing any kind of neon design. And this color is pretty intense, so I think one coat will be enough. Then cure it in LED for 30 seconds. And now I'm taking this sticker and let's open it up, and with the scissors I will cut the part that I will need. These ones are designed to fill all the space of the nail, but it's not necessary. You can only use one rose or some small part of it. It's really up to you. What I like about those stickers is that they have transparent base, so you can fill them in with any colors that you like. Now put it in the water for like 10 seconds. Make sure you clean all the extra water with a tissue and carefully separate it and transfer it on the nail. I didn't use anything specific like no glue, nothing, it's just slight sticky layer that we have from this color, and it's pretty much enough to stick it because it is super thin, and once I will fully roll it with the orange wood stick, you will see that it adheres pretty good. You can also do it with your finger, but only if you're wearing gloves, because if you're not, we know that our hands have some oils, so the adhesion might not be as good. So once you set up the sticker, now let's choose the colors, and obviously I will be using all of them, and I will also create a new one by mixing magenta and orange to create one more color, because obviously 6 is just not enough for me. And then we just start to fill in all these sections, and I have to admit, this process is so satisfying. I think you know what I'm talking about, right? There are these special books where you just buy markers and fill them in, like those pictures. I'm not sure what's the name of them, but this is basically the same, except that is on nails. And what's great about it is that you don't have to be super accurate. If you will go outside of the line, if you will not perfectly fill one petal, it's totally fine. Trust me, like with this design it will look great anyways, and just make sure that once you do, let's say, green petal, then the next one will be contrast to the previous one. So this is how you do it. I mean, I just turn on my favorite music and keep going. This is really great. So as you probably noticed, the sticker is slightly smaller than the tip I'm using because this one is pretty big. So what I did, I just used my imagination to fill on of the remaining spaces. Now when you're done, you can fully cure it for 1 minute, but in between you only need to freeze cure it for like 10 seconds and seal it with the top coat. That's it. Yes, it took a while. I can't say it's a very fast process, but I enjoyed every second of it. Now let's do another one, and this one will be way faster. I will use white background again. And this color is by Dance Legend. It's a pretty intense color, so I can use just one coat, cure, and then I will use ombre brush and do the light strokes with neon colors. First, let's do some yellow and then orange. And you can use any colors, not necessarily neons. It's just I'm in a summer mood now, so I would like to use something bright. But you can even use 1 or 2 shades. It's really up to you. I think on the black you can also use some light colors and we will get the opposite look. But you will need to find a white sticker for that one. I'm filling in the spaces that are still empty and do not have any color. We have to stop at some point and just cure it. Then I will take the same rose sticker and will use only 2/3 of it. I just wanted to show you a totally different approach and way to use them for design, and simply apply it like this. So I do not want this time for this sticker to cover the whole nail, only some part of it. And now with your finger or orange wood stick, make sure that you don't have any air bubbles in between. Once again, I didn't apply anything on this tip, it's just the sticky layer from the colors that I applied before. And then with a thin brush and gel black paint, I'm carefully adding the lines that are missing. And then I will create a thicker line right here, kind of like a border between the design and the background. Nailcouture, and that is it. So we have colorful background that we created in a few seconds. So this one is much faster, and I think it looks pretty cool even though we used the sticker. Cure the top coat and we're done here. Now, question of the day: which one do you like the most, and do you use water stickers in your design? I use them a lot, but I always add something, whether it's additional line, rhinestones, or something that will make them look not just a sticker on the nail. Thank you so much for watching. If you're first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials every week, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye!